Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kristen and I love to craft. Today we are going to hang out with my mom. She said that she wants to do a little bit of shopping. I've seen a lot of crafters post about their hauls from Ollies, so I know that we're going to go to Ollies, Hobby Lobby, Bidding Kings, and she said don't drink any coffee because we're supposed to be trying this new coffee shop, so I'm really excited. So follow me along on this journey today. Today I went shopping with my mom and I wanted to show you guys our big haul that we got. So go ahead, grab yourself a drink and a snack and let's get into today's video. So as you can see behind me, this is our new craft space and I'm so excited. Our part 1 video came out today, February 27th. Part 2 will be released next Friday. Also, don't look too hard behind me. We are still trying to organize and fully move into this space. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what all we got. The first stop that we made was 7 Brew.
Ocean breeze.
Passion fruit. Was
love,
it passion?
Love potion.
Love potion. And that one looks so good. I'm so jealous.
Sugar-free, brown sugar, hazelnut.
Chocolate. Then we went to Ollie's. Seeing a lot of crafters on here show off their hauls from Ollies, and it was kind of a dud at our Ollies. So we looked up local Ollies in our area and we are going to be going to those as well. There is one about 30 minutes away and then the other one is about an hour away. But the one that's an hour away is actually a place that we go shopping a lot and we didn't even know that there was an Ollies there. So it's kind of like a shocker to us. The first thing I want to start off with is our freebies. And yes, you heard that right, a freebie from Ollies. So right whenever you walk in the door, they had a cart full of calendars. And so we picked up these. They were all completely free. They said that they were misdated. I'm not sure exactly what part of these are misdated. However, as a crafter, your brain works a little bit differently. And so we thought that these would be perfect for junk journaling, scrapbooking, maybe even some other kind of projects, but we did get quite a few. There was a bunch of different kinds. So they had like cars, lighthouses, beaches, things like that. So I'm going to show you the ones that we got. We got the lighthouses. Let me show you the back of the lighthouses as well. So there's some of those. Sorry for the glare. We got 2 America the Beautiful, and this is what it looks like on the front. And then on the back, ooh, these are really pretty. And this is what it looks like on the back. And then we got Tropical Island. And there's some of those images as well. But just imagine that you were doing a scrapbook page on going to the beach for vacation or something. And you took one of these images and used it as like your background or I don't know, something like that. But there are tons of ways that you can craft with something like this. We got motivation. We only got one of these. There's actually some really pretty places on here. And there they are. Next up, it looks like beaches and mountains. And then this one is so cute. It is kittens and puppies. Look how cute those are. Super cute. So we got a bunch of those and we did leave plenty for other people. Next up at Ollie's, they had all of their cake and cookie decorations for $1. So we got 4 yellow sprinkles for $1 each, and we did check the date on these. I think it's like 2027 or something, so like a year from now. Yeah, March 2027. So we have a long time to use these, but Easter's coming up very, very soon, and the boys go crazy for Easter. They like to decorate cookies, all kinds of stuff. So these are definitely going to be put to use this year. I think you guys are going to be really shocked whenever I tell you how much that this cost right here. I'm going to tell you what it includes first. So it includes 18 cookie cutters, 2 edgers, 40 templates, 11 instruction cards, and 3 recipe cards. So this is 75 pieces and it is by the Sweet Sugar Bell brand. And here it is up close. And here is the back of the package. You might have to pause it to you know, kind of get every little detail. $1. Can you believe that? $1. They only had one though, but if they had two, I definitely would have gotten one for my youngest because he likes to play with Play-Doh right now, and he might get some of these. But these are for my mom because she does cookies just like these. They're really pretty, but my mom makes the most beautiful cookies in the whole entire world. I'm actually going to insert a picture of her cookies or a video. I have to look through my camera roll and see which ones I have, but I'll definitely show you guys because she's super talented. The next bag at Ollie's, these were $4.99 each, and these are sketchbooks. I know I brag a lot about my boys, but my youngest right now, he's really into sketching, and actually my oldest is as well. He draws a lot of comics and things like that, and I'm super proud of him. So I got 2 of these, and I know that they're purple and girly, and they're not gonna like them because they're all like Spider-Man, Minecraft, very much boy things. But I figured I could decorate the cover that way that they don't see the flowers and all the purple. I know that they're going to be very excited to get these. Now we're getting into the real good crafting stuff. So these were $1 each. We got 6 of them. There are 3 different paper pads. These are by the American Craft Company. And if you don't know who they are, just type in Google American Crafts. They have very affordable craft supplies. So here's the first one. Here's another one, and here is the last one. I think that we did pretty good on those. Now they are pretty thin, but you do get 18 sheets per pack, so 18 sheets for $1, I mean, that's not bad at all, you know? There's really pretty patterns on here. I think we got a good deal. Next up, we got 2 packs of this cardstock. It is 78 pounds, and these colors in here are more of like a pastel Easter color. So there is those colors in there. And these were $1.49 each. Next up, these were $2.99 each, and it's called the Harmony Hues. So it's just your basic colors. These are 65-pound cardstock, and there's 100 sheets in each pack. So there's all the colors there. So 2 packs of those. We got some Post-it notes, and these were 79 cents each, and we got 4 packs. I thought I got another sticker pack, but this was 49 cents, and it's just holographic stickers. I think my youngest would really like these because they shine and they're puppy dogs, and he likes puppy dogs. So I kind of got these for him, but I'm pretty sure that I might use these in like a junk journal page very, very soon. Next up, this is the Cricut brand, and it says that these are insert cards. There are 42, and this one was $2.99. And there it is up close. So that was a really good deal. I also got some washi tape. It was $2.99. And this was also from the American Crafts, and it says that there are 3 pieces in here. I think that they're all just owls though. So there they are. So there's just 3 sheets of owl stickers in there. And then I got some heat transfer vinyl. This is a 3-pack, and it is Sizer Easy Weed, and it was $7.99. But look at all the colors that you get. There are tons of them in here. So I thought that was a really good deal on this 3-pack. It says that there's 4 sheets per roll, and you get 12 sheets in this pack. So I think it was a good deal. So that's all that we got from Ollie's. So the next place that we went was called Bidding Kings, and they are home of the $5 clothes. It's usually just like overstock from Sam's, Gap, Target, and a couple other places. But I did get some clothes from there, and I'm going to show you what all I got. got these super cute shorts. They are very lightweight. I think that the shade is more of like a powder baby blue. I don't know if you can tell on camera, but I'm so excited to wear these. Maybe even for like Easter. I got a Alabama shirt. I got this t-shirt and it says Happy Harvest Market, and I just thought it was so cute. I love fall. I did get this quarter zip pullover and it is so soft. I got just a regular gray kind of t-shirt, and it's just basic. It's really soft too. All right, last two. I got this one. I thought it was just so cute. I love the look of these sweaters. There it is up close. I also got, oops, this lobster sweater. So that's all that I got from Bidding Kings. Let's go ahead and do our Hobby Lobby haul as well. Notice, but our local Hobby Lobbies, both of them have started marking their spring things down, not just like the regular 40% off, but they're actually like clearancing things. So I got this scrapbook. It was $4.24, regular $16.99, and then sometimes whenever the Paper Studio goes on sale for 40% off, you could get it for 40% off. But I caught it while it was on clearance, so I thought that was a really good deal. I also got this heat foil for 87 cents, and it's in a rainbow shade. I tried to get like a close-up, but for some reason it will not focus on it, so it's rainbow. I got this really pretty planner sticker pad for $2.24. I got this cute little basic notebook. It was $2.12, and it is in the lightest shade of pink, which is like so me. I also got some other planner accessories like these and these as well. There was also some leftover 90% off Valentine's Day stuff, and so we got 3 of the blue and 3 of the pink. But if you flip them around, you can do something for Easter or the 4th of July, or maybe even St. Patrick's Day if you repaint them. But I figured that it would be so cute to display them for Valentine's Day, flip them over and do them for Easter. So we got a few that way that we can repurpose those. But here's what the blue one looks like up close. And then of course we're going to repurpose the back. And there's the pink one. So we got 6 of those total. Next up, they had envelopes on clearance for $1.24. And we got 2 pink packs and blue. There might be some more in the bag. There was a lot of clearance at this store. My mom got these really pretty napkins because I inspired her to paper mache. So I'm very excited to see what she creates with these. Here is also another Valentine's Day 90% off. You could totally leave it like it is, or you could stick something in it, like some kind of wire, maybe drill in it, put a little wire, and maybe even add like a picture to it. That way it's kind of like a photo block. That would be so cute. And you can also repurpose the back. Ooh, these are pretty. I think my mom got these. These were $1.87, and these are cards and envelopes. And here's what they look like up close. Another love sign. Ooh, I didn't know she got these. These are so pretty. So there's 100 pieces in here, 50 designs, 2 each, and these are die cuts. So this is what the package looks like up front. But if you turn it around, you could see the designs on it a lot better. That was not on clearance, but it was definitely a good buy. And then my mom picked this up. I'm not exactly sure what it is. It says it's dried flowers, and I think that you can make jewelry out of it. It says use with UV resin to create custom charms and pendants. Look how pretty those are. Oh my goodness. She got some green paint because she's working on something for Easter. I got these right here on clearance. They were $1.87 and these are sticker patches. I am going to put these on my project bags. They had tons of these woodblock stamps on clearance. So we got a cardinal, we got a seashell, a sailboat, and another seashell. So we got that one, this one, this one, and this one. These right here were on clearance and it's called Storage Page Planner. These were $1.99 each. So it looks like they were just $1 off. But it is a 3-piece set with pockets and it holds 12-inch by 12-inch papers. So I'm just gonna go ahead and open up one of these. So this is basically what it is. It's a project bag and you would put your scrapbook paper in here and stickers or whatever. And then you can also use these storage flaps right here to put stickers, gems, ink pens, you know, whatever you are using if you are traveling, or even if you just want to pause for the night and you don't want to just kind of like leave it laying out, store it in these project bags and you are good to go. I do know that they have some of these on Amazon as well because I checked, because I definitely want to order me just a couple more, but I will have a Amazon link down in the description box below if you want to check it out. I do earn a small commission at no extra cost to you, so just by clicking on that link definitely helps out my channel. We are going to start a series called Scrapbook Saturday on my channel, and my mom picked up these scrapbook pages that way that she can go ahead and start scrapbooking as well. And we came up with this great idea that for each other's birthday or for a special occasion that we would create a scrapbook page for each other, that way that we can exchange those instead of gifts, you know. But I just thought that that was like the coolest idea because it's something handmade. We both love to craft, we both love scrapbooking, and maybe even you who is watching can create something like this with a friend or family member, that way that you guys can share those special memories as well. Okay, next up, we did get a lot of beads, but in my defense, some of these were on clearance, so I'm going to try and hold up a couple of these at a time because we did get quite a few. Oops, we got a bunch of stuff. I'm just gonna hold it up. So we got these. These were my absolute favorite. There's that spider charm. Got these. A black chain to go with the spider charm. More beads. Those were so cute. On clearance as well. And I absolutely had to have these. I thought those were so pretty. Next up, I got these cute paper clips and I wanted to add like a little tassel and maybe some gems to them. I thought it would just look so cute in my planner. And there they are up close. They're like jumbo size. Okay, I think that is it. I feel like I've been talking forever, but I think I did get through all the bags. Thank you all so much for spending your day with me. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video just as much as I did, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!